What's the most chaotic way you've ever been friend-zoned? Okay, so I meet this girl in a campus writing workshop, right? Let's call her Taylor. She's got this weirdly intoxicating energy. She looks like Riley Reid glasses, tote bag with stickers, silky brown fringe. I was emotionally gone from day one. We started vibing fast, shared playlists, night walks. She'd send me pictures of sunsets and say things like, "This made me think of you." Like, girl, that's not friendship behavior. That's we die in the same notebook behavior. She even told me, and I quote, "You're one of the only guys I feel safe around," which I now know is woman speak for, "You're basically my golden retriever in human form." But back then I was like, she gets me. So obviously, I catch feelings hard. And instead of doing what a normal person would do, like texting you up and hoping for trauma bonding, I go full Nicholas Sparks. I write her a letter, an actual letter, on real paper, folded into quarters like it's wartime and I'm getting deployed. I included a little pressed flower in it because I'm soft, stupid, and probably watched Pride and Prejudice too many times. I hand it to her after one of our late night movie nights. We watched Eternal Sunshine, of course, because emotional damage, and I sprint home like I just confessed to murder. Next day, she texts me, "Hey, can we talk?" I'm like, "Let's go." We meet in the park. She's wearing a sweater I complimented once, which I took as a sign. But then, she pulls out muffins, homemade muffins. Now I don't know if you've ever been emotionally executed via baked goods, but I have. She goes, "I read your letter. It was beautiful. You're just so thoughtful, so rare. I don't know what I'd do without you." I'm already spiraling. Then she says the words that haunt me to this day. "You remind me so much of my brother." Bang, shot to the heart with a muffin. I take a bite to distract myself, and it's banana. I'm allergic to banana. Not hospital level, just itchy throat, watery eyes, crying looks ambiguous, now allergic. So now I'm sitting there, muffin in hand, trying not to die while she tells me I'm like family. And then she adds, "I really needed this. My boyfriend and I have been fighting, and you always bring me back to earth." Boyfriend? Since when was there a boyfriend? I've been writing poetry. You've got a man who texts, "Yo, you still mad?" It gets worse. 2 days later, she introduces me to him at a coffee shop. I walk in and she's like, "This is Ben. Ben, this is my bestie." He sticks out his hand like we're bros in a Marvel origin story. Says, "She talks about you all the time, man. You're like the safe guy. Every girl needs one." I smile, like a safe guy, with a semi-closed throat and a destroyed ego. So yeah, that's how I got friend-zoned with banana muffins, a near-allergic reaction, and a casual introduction to the man who stole my main character moment. Moral of the story? If she calls you emotionally safe, it's already over. Pack your love letter, take your EpiPen, and walk away. And don't do what I did and ask to sit in the corner as you walk away.